Okay, to the front yard now. You can see I've spent the last 2 hours trying to shovel this driveway. Right there, nice big pile. Nice and chilly. Nice day actually. Right there was my deepest spot just in the middle of the driveway. Not a drift or anything, but I had it at I believe 12 inches. 12 inches of snow right there in the middle of the driveway. There's the back of the gate. I don't know if you can see it, but the snow piled up back there. Lots of snow in the middle of the yard over here. I'd say that's probably a good foot right there. Let's go ahead and walk back here. Yeah, you can see which way the wind was blowing. Back. Really beautiful. Yeah, right there in the yard where we're looking right now is probably a good foot deep, at least. All snow. I'm gonna go ahead and stick my foot right here. You can give me an idea. All the way down. Pretty impressive stuff. Good wet packed snow. And here's the car stuck in the street. Trying to get it out into the driveway. That's all we have from here from cold, snowy Norman.